Oh dear. Alrighty. So this bike has been sat in the dirt for quite some time now. And you can probably see the chain is muck. The wheel's not too centered yet. But this was put away as a working engine. The reason I retired this bike in the first place was because of a dodgy rear brake. So anyway, I've bought replacement brakes and I'm going to set about getting this bike working again. I'm curious about whether or not I can use these. If not, I'll whip the cruiser bars back off the defunct road bike there, and we'll just see what we can do. Already bleeding for the show. Alright. This is proof of concept for me. I'll fiddle fart around for a bit more and see what I can make work. But I'll go and get the new cable set now. Just see what I can't fit up. Alright. So I've just mounted the new brakes and I'm just going to cable tie this cable up under the frame because there's no actual mounts for it.
Hi Dad.
Hi Link.
I came out here just in time.
So I see.
Boy, you are done.
I've put new brakes on my bike. Put new brakes up here. And this one's got a brand new brake cable. So now I've got front brakes and back brakes. See my back brakes going? That's a good one, isn't it?
It's so cool. Daddy,
Yes, thank you, Lou.
my belly is hungry.
I suppose you'll have to have some lunch.
What are you doing? Are you still fixing your bike?
You know what I am? I've got to put the chain back on and put a bit of WD-40 on it.
Daddy, I am playing Delta.
Are you?
Yeah. And Daddy, I got a new door. Look at this sense of...
Wow, good job.
There is so many. Yeah. Daddy, I'm gonna say what that monster is.
Yeah?
I'm gonna say what the monster is there.
Okay.
Yeah! Daddy, I got it in apple waxing Barbie hand.
Really?
Got you.
Cheeky chops.
And Daddy, I need more too. All we is never needing. Huh? Hiya! I am a master now. I am a
horse.
No. I am playing a game called Flying Bike. That is called that. That means a bird. Princess that kills a bunny. And now that is a king.
Alright, so the bike is, for want of a better word, finished. I just got to put some fuel in it and we'll run it down the backyard and see if we can get it to cough. So clearly we've got some clutch adjustments to make. Alrighty. So after a bit of faffing around off camera, it turned out that my CDI was a bit bung. It was left uncovered and went a bit rusty, and you can see I've cleared it up. I changed the spark plug, even though the spark plug looked fine, still not a fire. That's actually one of the stock plugs that come in the kits. And I had a brand new CDI lying around and it fired right up. So I've had it running off camera, mainly because the other little camera died. I haven't taken it for a proper ride yet, but I've just thrown a whole heap of grease around there because this chain was looking a bit ordinary. But no, I'll go and start it up now just to prove that we're going. And then in the coming days, we'll see if we can hit the trails again. And there she blows.